Okay, Isabel, I want to show you how an eclipse works and what we're going to be seeing when we go to Idaho to see the total eclipse. So imagine that ball up there is the sun. And you can see the sun is big, right? So that's a pretty giant ball, right? Pretty giant ball, right? And then over here I have a tennis ball. This is a pretty small ball, right? So the moon is really small. So imagine this is the moon. The tennis ball is the moon. And the sun, even though it's gigantic, is much, much farther away than the moon from Earth. So where I am, where the camera is Earth. And then this is the moon. So the moon's over here, and as the Earth spins and rotates, the moon, and of course the moon's rotating too, kind of like this, right? Now let's forget about the moon rotating. Let's just focus on the Earth rotating. So the Earth's rotating, which makes it look like the moon is moving across the sky. And then this is in the daytime, right? It's going to be in the daytime. And then there's the sun. See the sun? But the sun is so far away from the moon. But look, the moon's going to come close. The moon's going to go like this, and then like, ooh, the moon's starting to block the sun. It's starting to take away a chunk of the sun. So now see how the sun starts looking like a crescent? Almost like a crescent moon itself. And then, boom! The moon is covering up the whole sun. And then the whole sky is going to get dark. And we're going to see the flares coming out of all around the moon. It's going to be like the moon's on fire. That's only going to last for about 2 minutes. And then boom, the sun's going to peek out on the other side again. Then the moon's going to just kind of keep going on its way. And that's what the total eclipse is going to be. So this part, boom, right here is the total eclipse. And that's what's very, very rare. Now in the early stages, when the moon is only just blocking a little bit of the sun, the sky's still just going to be as bright as it normally is. The sky's bright, 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 bright. And then maybe only when it gets to about here does the sky start feeling like it's a little bit darker. And only when it's completely blocked does the sky get really dark. And then during this very early phases, it's dangerous to look at the sun. You can't look at the sun unless you have special glasses that make everything else look black except for the sun, and it blocks all the harmful rays. So you can wear special glasses to watch all of this part here. And then as soon as, boom, as soon as the moon covers up the sun, we take the glasses off and we look at the actual total solar eclipse.